Hey, let me show you what to do if you cannot react to the messages on the Samsung Galaxy A57. So first of all, you have to switch into the Google Messages application because on the Samsung one, it's actually not possible. There's no this extension. So you have to go for this one. You have to make Google Messages as default. By the way, if you don't have Google Messages, it means that you will have to go into the Google Play Store, click on the search, and input Google Messages phrase. You have to just simply download this application from Play Store, then make it default. Next, click on the Google account, click on the messages settings and go to the general. Now go for RCS chats and you have to turn it on for each of your SIM card. And as you can see, for my first one, it's still connecting, which means that I have to accept this pop-up notification that will probably appear after a few moments on my phone. So we have to just be patient, because until that you will be not able to react to the messages. But now as you can see, it just starts working, so it's probably already enabled and I can just tap on it and get this reaction. That's basically how you can do this on your Samsung Galaxy A57, but also it works the same for other Samsung smartphones.